Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam. Krishna says, you fully surrender, I give you full protection. Ang pang sarva papi bhoma Krishna. Give you full intelligence. That will be our great success. And the scientific world will admit. Let them admit simply. Then our Krishna consciousness mundi, a great success. If you simply admit, yes, there is God and mystic power, then our movement is very successful. And that's a fact. Simply talking like a nonsense amongst the nonsense, that is not a very great credit. Andhayathan veirupuniyaman. One blind man is leading other blind men. What is the value of such? They are all blind. And so long one remains blind and rascal, he does not accept God. This is the test. As soon as we see that he does not accept God, he is blind, rascal, fool, whatever you can call him. Take it for granted. However, whatever he may be. He is a rascal. On this principle we can challenge so many big chemist, philosopher, whoever comes to us. We say you are demon. The other chemist came, you brought him, that Indian.
Tiwari.
Huh? Tiwari. So I told him that you are a demon. But he was not angry. He admitted. And all his argument was refuted. Perhaps you remember.
Yes.
Yes.
That is in fact, he was telling that Krishna didn't give me all the procedure, steps, how to do the experiment. That was, he was saying like that.
Yes. Why shall I give you? You are rascal, you are against Krishna, why Krishna will give you facility? You are against Krishna and you want the credit without Krishna, that's not possible. You must be submissive, first of all. Then Krishna will give you all facilities. Just like we dare to face any chemist, any scientist, any philosopher. Why? On the strength of Krishna, we believe that there is Krishna. When I shall talk with him, Krishna will give me intelligence. This is the basics. Otherwise, from qualification, standard, very much qualified. We are common layman before them. But how do we challenge them? Because we know that's a small child. He can challenge a very big man. Because he knows my father is there. He's catching the hand of the father. And he's sure that nobody can do anything to him.
So, Prabhupada, I want to make sure the meaning of Tadapi Afalatam Jata.
Tadapi Afalatam
Jata. Tesang Atma Vimaninam. Barakanam Anasutriya.
Tesam Atma Viman. Barakanam Anasitya Govinda Charanadam.
That human form of life becomes spoiled.
Yes.
For those
who do not try to understand Krishna consciousness. Simply dies like animal, that's all. Just like the cats and dogs, they also take birth, they eat, sleep, and beget children and die. The human life is like that.
Jata means the species? Jata.
Jata means born. Afalatam jata. Jata means it becomes futile. Futile. The human form of life becomes futile if it does not accept Govinda Charana. Govindam adi purusham tamaham bhajami. If he is not convinced that he worships the original personality of God as Govinda, then he is spoiled. That's all. His life is spoiled.
Atma-abhimani nam is the
Dehatmiman.
So those self-centered.
I am this body. Self, they have no information of the self. These askers, they think I am this body. Atma means body, Atma means self, Atma means mind. So this Atma-abhimani means bodily concept of Barak. Barak means fool, child. Barak. Atma-abhimani nam Barakana. Those who are under the bodily concept of life, they are like children, fools, or animals.
So I want to expand the principle of transmigration. The principle of transmigration through this verse.
Yes. Transmigration. Brahmadhi. Brahmadhi means transmigration, wandering from one body to another. Just like I am here, I've got this body, dress, covering. And when I go India, this is not required. So they are taking that the body has evolved like that. But no, here under certain condition I accept this dress. In another place under certain condition I accept another dress. So I am the important, not this dress. But these askers are studying the dress only. And that is called Atma-abhimani. Considering of the dress, body, Barakana. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,